yesterday. It's the 14th of July 2025. We have Siltakatu 15, Heinola of the region of Finland. Prestige sport versus advanced weapons. But this was difficult, but I hope they don't open that door. We're calling novel fixtures, novel elements.
Yeah.
And this has been built in 1996. December 9868701 with 5 floors. I don't know if it was finished in 96 or 97.
Yeah, 96.
Maybe finished in 1996.
Yeah.
But hope they don't care.
Yeah. Niissä tippaakin vaan, että meidän eteenpäin Suomen hissirakointi.
That sounds.
Yeah.
They are. No, I'm not coming. I always panic too much. I don't want them to. I don't want bad situations.
Yeah.
No one wants that. There's one inside.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, too loud. That's